Proper way to build muscle. Marami sa atin nahihirapan na build ng muscle or yung iba naman easy go lucky na sinasabi na workout lang yan. Ang tunay na muscle gains, makikita mo siya kapag walang pump or pagising mo ng umaga. Maraming hindi nakakaalam na ang pag-build ng muscle ay nahati sa tatlong kategory. At ano-ano ang mga iyon. Una is pagkain or foods. Pangalawa is sleep or pahinga. 3. Resistance training or yung mga workouts natin. Bakit nauna ang pagkain? Kasi 80% ng muscle gains ay nakukuha sa pagkain at ano-ano ang mga pagkain na iyon na kailangan kainin upang mag-build or magpalaki. Number 1 is protein. Protein is crucial for muscle growth because it helps repair and maintain muscle tissue. Ang pangalawa naman is carbs. Carbs help prevent muscle loss and enhance muscle recovery. Consuming enough healthy carbs with the majority as complex carbs will provide the energy required to optimize physical performance for resistance training and allowing you to maximize muscle growth. Number 3 is fats. Fats is necessary for hormones such as testosterone, which is a building block for muscle growth. Fourth is vegetables. Foods rich in nitrates such as leafy greens, your body will convert them into nitric oxide. This compound can help your body deliver the oxygen to your muscles, thus allowing them to grow stronger and function at a higher level. Number 5 naman is fruits. Fruits are important parts of this diet, providing essential nutrients and antioxidants that support muscle repair and growth. Ito ang mga pagkain na dapat kainin upang lumaki ang ating muscle. Pag-uusapan naman natin ang sleep at bakit ito mahalaga sa pag-build ng muscle. Sa pagtulog, ang katawan natin ay naglalabas ng HGH or Human Growth Hormone, which is mahalaga para sa pag-repair at pag-build ng muscle. Pinapalakas ng HGH ang protein synthesis, ang proseso kung saan ang mga nasirang fibers ng muscle ay naayos at nabubuo ang bagong tissue ng muscle. Kaya ito mahalaga. Kaya tuwing pagkakatapos ng high intensity training or HIIT, kailangan natin ng 6 to 8 hours of sleep to recover, repair, and build muscle, lalo na sa mga gustong magpalaki ng muscle mass. At ang last na pag-uusapan natin ay resistance training or yung workouts natin. Resistance training include the use of free weight, weight machine, your own body weight, or resistance band. At marami sa ating hindi nakakalam na ang bawat muscle group ay may tamang repetition lang. Like for bigger muscle, like chest, back, and legs, it requires 120 reps. And for smaller muscle like shoulder, bicep, tricep, and etc., it requires 60 to 80 repetition with slow eccentrics and progressive overload. And additional tip, too much repetition can lead to junk volume and may possibility na matunaw ang muscle. Kaya mahalagang malaman ang required repetition, sets, and proper form to avoid junk volume and muscle loss and waste of time. Naniniwala kasi ako sa kasabihang work smart, not hard. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating video, please smash the like button and click the follow icon for more upcoming based on science tips, workout, and explanation.